Hey guys, I want to show you how I cheaply cover my existing throw pillows instead of buying new pillows with the seasons like I used to do. That can get expensive very quickly to the point where my husband has banned me from buying pillows. So if you're anything like me, you know the struggle, and I have a workaround for you. I'm also going to show you how to make these DIY tassels and attach them to your pillow covers. You wouldn't know it, but under this white pillow is a pink floral print, and there's a pink Moroccan trellis print under this guy. But right now I'm going for more of a neutral theme, and these pillow covers do the trick. They cover it really, really nicely. If you like the look of these tassel pillows, this is actually a DIY. I think it's really on trend. You guys know tassel pillows are not cheap. I'm about to show you how to make these tassels and attach them to your pillow covers. You can also attach them to baskets and blankets in your home. They're just super cute. I love that you can make them as thick or thin, long or short as you want to. I love this chunky oversized tassel pillow, so that's what I did. It's just a great option for covering your existing pillows. I will link all of the products that I use. Let's get started. I am using black yarn. I will link this yarn down below, and I've cut a piece of cardboard to 10 inches in length. I think this creates a perfect chunky sized tassel for about a 16-inch pillow. Next, I'm wrapping the yarn around the cardboard about 40 times. You can wrap it around more if you want an even thicker tassel, or less if you want a thinner tassel. After wrapping the yarn around the cardboard, go ahead and cut off the excess, and you're gonna gently slide it off of the cardboard. You'll be tying this yarn in half using another piece of yarn the same length as your cardboard. Make sure you tie it tight and in a knot. Now you've created loops of yarn on both sides. You're gonna cut those loops so they're hanging straight. Now cut another piece of yarn the same length as your cardboard, and you're going to tie a very tight knot about 1 inch down from the top of the tassel. That's pretty much it. You made a tassel. Good job. You just need to trim the bottom pieces of the yarn so they're all nice and flush. Once you've made all 4 tassels, you're going to want to flip your throw pillow cover inside out to get access to those 4 corners, and you'll need a yarn needle to attach your tassels. It's really commonsensical, so you're just gonna pull your yarn needle through and tie a big knot in each corner. In fact, I think I tied like 5 knots in the yarn on each corner just to make sure it was nice and thick and it wasn't gonna pull back through. These tassels also look amazing on baskets, like for plants or for blankets and pillows. Really, these tassels are so good for so many things. I'd love to hear from you guys with any questions or comments. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, please like and subscribe if you liked this video. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. If you decide to try it out, please take lots of pictures and tag me on Instagram at Amanda Fallon Homes. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon.